As you can see, Ruth has got her feeder in for her turkeys. So this video coming up is Ruth going to be doing her turkeys and feeding her turkeys. And as you know, they wrap these things pretty good. They're pretty tight. And of course the scissors are broke. I think those are the ones that are broke. You know, we've broken about 4, 5, 6 pair of scissors from China. So pretty simple. RR's doing the video, so you guys kind of see what's going on here. As you can see, the turkeys are in the back. Little Omer will come visit those guys in a minute.
Go.
So she's getting it all situated. Since we bought this, the feeder itself, the handle broke. I think, am I correct with that? So, you know, to be honest with you, I give up buying anything. I let her order stuff that she needs, but I don't order anything anymore. I've not spent $1 in the last 60 days on anything. Not $1 from China. I decided I'm not doing it anymore.
Don't.
What a waste. You buy a pair of pliers and it don't mean it's going to be good. As you can see, she's feeding the feeder. It's just a natural feeder. So when they eat it. And what I like about it, even though that's open at the bottom, they can still get around it very easily, but the top is sealed. So they are getting fresh food. That's the only concern, you know, when you have these. So.
But why don't you just pour it?
I don't know where little man's at. He's going to come out there and give them heck in a minute. So you put all the food in there, I see, Ruth. So you have to. How long will this food last? Months?
Omar? Mukaon lagi na siya kain lagi ma.
Well, we'll see.
Come here.
Doesn't matter. So it's good. It's good feeder. Oh, she's got a bag there. She's pulling it up. I see. Okay. Now, will that get wet? That does not get wet, right? Okay. All right, guys. Enjoy this video. I'll try to add a little just music from this point on.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay.